So let me demonstrate the procedure for morphing. So first you go to morphing and then you click on create and then you go to domains. Okay, and then don't change any of these options, and to the left you have create, organize, etc. Let create be selected, and then you have to select the element that you want to morph or you want to follow the geometry. So let us take, the brown area is a duct, the orange area is a clip. So we want the duct elements to follow the clip outline. So let us select a duct element. So I'll select it, okay, and then I will say create. So you have these two domes that appear. They are called handles, okay. So the beauty of these handles is that you can move these handles or you can place them wherever you want to. So you go to morphing again and then you go to morph, okay, and then you have something called move handles. So this option allows us to move those domes, and then for the handles I will select that I want to move this particular handle. The other thing to note is that if the handle is underneath the geometry, it does not really move. So if I select this one, you will see that it doesn't really move. However, if I select this one, and if I want to move this over here to follow the outline of the eclipse, you will see that it will move now. So I've selected this one, and then you go to element, and then you select which element this particular dome needs to move towards. So this is an element of my clip. So I will, yeah. So let's say I want this particular dome to move over here. Okay, so I've selected that, and then I will say project to mesh, because the mesh needs to be projected to this particular, the duct mesh needs to be projected to the orange mesh, or the brown mesh needs to be projected to the orange mesh. Okay, and then I say morph, and you will see when I click on morph, this dome will move here. So I'll click on morph, and you see that has moved. And then if I turn on the brown mesh, you will see that that particular node has moved towards the other element. Okay.